Today I'll be installing these GLE63S taillight assembly on the ML63 Amg. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and back to another video. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my contents, leave me comments in the section below, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you guys can get future notification when I post new content. I can't even explain how much I miss you guys so much. I haven't posted any video since the year started. This is my first video that I'm posting. These are the GLE63S taillights that I bought for the ML63 just to upgrade the lighting in the rear. These are the stock taillights. So you know the stock taillights come with halogen brake light. You know what I'm saying? It's okay, but it looks kind of tacky. The LEDs are only the indicator. Yeah, these are full LEDs, so it will definitely make the rear look, you know, much better. I purchased these on AliExpress for $350. The make is pretty good. I'm not even gonna hold you, but we'll see how long they hold up. I'm definitely keep it stock. I'm not gonna get rid of them just in case if I need to go back to stock. And hopefully these don't throw any light on the dashboard. It does has these little boxes. I think these boxes prevent it from throwing like a light on the dash. So yeah, I'm back on YouTube. So anyways, let's jump right into the installation. Okay guys, so welcome back. So I just pulled down this side. So to get to the back here, you're gonna remove the weather strip. Okay, you gotta remove this skid plate right here. There's a bolt that's holding it down. These are actually torque screws. So these are the torque screws. Also, you got to remove this right here that's holding down this panel right here. You got to remove this one right here. I think it's two of them, this one and this one right here. So you're gonna need I think this is you're gonna need a T36 bit and let me see, what is this? This is a T30 bit to remove all these torque screws. All right, to get to the back of this. Then you gotta remove this panel right here. The two bolts that hold this down so this can basically push forward so you can get access to the back. And I think there are 3 nuts that's holding this down. Then you remove these and just pull out, and that's it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Right now I'm by myself, so I can't really film and do the work at the same time. All right, so just bear with me. Okay guys, so I finally got the nuts out. So these are the 2 nuts I'm talking about. These are 8mm nuts. So in order to remove those nuts, you're gonna need an 8mm deep socket because the screw protrudes all the way. So you need a deep socket and need a socket wrench. So the 8mm socket. And when you're doing it, when you use the socket to break these nuts loose, you're gonna have to do it by hand because you don't want it to fall in this little holder right here. Let me show you. All right, so right here, you don't want it to fall down here because if it falls down here, it's a wrap. All right, so just do it by hand. Yeah, and just take it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the assembly nut right now, and then I'm gonna install the new assembly and test it before I put everything back together to see if it works. All right, so let me go ahead and do that right now. That was a little bit tedious because this screw up here, this 3rd screw, is kind of like really hard to get to, but there's a little opening. Let me show you. You can go through here. There's a little open up top here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can pull the camera back. This is where you got to take it out from. Like I said, when you crack that nut, just use your hand and take it out. Okay, you gotta, you know what I mean, be smart with it. All right, so but the light is finally out. This is the old light, so I'm gonna put in the new light and I'm gonna brake test it to see if it works. All right guys, so we just ran into a little hiccup. So this won't fit. It will fit, but the only problem that's stopping it from going in is this little piece that sticks out. because I mean all the pins are the same, they're lined up the same, so it should work. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this little piece right here, this little piece right here. I'm gonna remove it and just slide it in. All right, I mean if it doesn't work, I mean it's this right here could still go back into the factory slot, because it has a little clip right here that clips it in so it won't come out either way. So this is really not necessary. I don't know why Ben's put this on there, but I'm gonna just go ahead and remove this piece right here and see if it works. Okay guys, see, it works. So it definitely fits. So you just have to remove that little piece, and the thing right, this will go in. See, it's in. So now I'm gonna test it just to make sure it works. So I just turned the car on. As you can see, the blinkers are working. All right, here it's working. Well, this is the old one, but the blinkers are working, so that's a good thing. I wish I had somebody to step on the brakes just to make sure the brakes are working, but the brakes, it should work, because from the indicator works, everything should work. All right, so hopefully my friend Omar, he comes back really soon so we can go ahead and test it. So basically do the same thing for the other side, and that's it. This part is going to be a little bit tedious because I got to take down all this right here. So yeah, but yeah, so far so good, thank God. Okay guys, so I found a little stand, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car back on and do a brake test just to make sure the brake light works. All right, as you guys can see, the indicator is working, so I'm gonna test the brakes. So hopefully you guys saw that. I'm gonna rewatch the video and see if it works. Okay, so it did work. Thank you, Jesus, it did work. All right, so I'm gonna put this side in, put all the nuts and bolts back. I'm gonna pin up at this side, then I'm gonna go to that side. All right, so basically do everything in reverse. It's pretty simple. All right, so I'll be right back. All right guys, welcome back. So I just complete both assembly. As you can see, this side is in. I did test this side and this side work. So as you guys can see, the fitment is perfect. This side too as well, the fitment is perfect. So the next is up here. So we got to pull all these panels right here to get behind, so we can remove the nuts from this and this, and we'll just go ahead and replace it. All right, like I said, I'm the only one that's doing this job, but I will show you how to pull it down afterwards. All right, so keep on watching. All right guys, welcome back. So basically, if you look inside here, as you can see, it's just clip holding this panel together. You got to be careful when you're pulling this down, because this right here, it goes over here. So you just got to just pry it forward and pull it back and peel it down like this. You don't have to take all of it off, which is a good thing, because you can actually get to the nuts behind here. All right, okay guys, as you can see, I just removed this assembly. So basically it's only one nut. This is it right here. When you remove this nut, so basically you push forward, do not pull. Let me see if I can get this focus. Hold on a second, I'll show you. So basically when you remove the nut, you push out, don't pull, push out, and it's gonna ease up, and then you just pull it off. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead now and install the new one, and I'll be right back. All right, FYI guys, so this thing right here, you don't have to reuse it, because this comes with its own nut, as you can see, so you don't have to reuse this. All right guys, so this is the old assembly, so I installed a new one. So basically the wiring, the harness, as you can see, this one still has that little thing right here, so it won't go into this right here. As you can see, it won't fit. Let me show you. This one, it won't fit. As you can see, it won't fit. So the same thing I did for this one, you're gonna do for this one. So you're gonna cut off this piece right here. This little piece, you're gonna trim it, and then it will go in. All right, so both assemblies in. So I'm gonna ask Omar to turn on the car and put the car in reverse. Let me see if the reverse light is gonna come on. Omar, go ahead. Hold on 1 second. Step again on the brake light. Okay, put it in reverse. Okay, the reverse light is on. Oh, this one is not on. Go again. Yeah, this reverse is not on. Step on the brakes. Huh? Okay, the brake light work, but this reverse light not working. Huh? Hey guys, so everybody knows when it comes to these aftermarket parts, sometimes it don't work properly. So this part of the assembly is working, the brake light is working, the daytime running light is working. Omar! Shit. So the only thing that's not working is the reverse light is not working, but everything else will work. Both sides work. It's just the reverse light is not working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reach out to the seller and have him or her send me this part of the assembly, only so I can go ahead and swap it out. But I'm not going to take out everything. I'm just leave it in for now and get this one replaced and then put it back in. But anyways guys, yeah, so let me open the trunk. So basically that's it. So you just put everything back in reverse order, and that's it guys. So the installation is pretty easy. Just follow my instructions and you know you'll basically get it done. All right guys, so I'm gonna leave the information for the assembly, the link in the bio down below, so where you can go ahead and click the link and purchase it if you want it for your ML63. That being said guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for your support, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Thank you.